Earlier today, when I had the worst migraine in the world, we went to 5 different properties that we have in development. We met with Eric, our builder, and Tab, we'll call him an apprentice builder, and also the investor of the project. It was a really cool experience to see houses in different stages.
Yeah, and I got to walk through several construction sites in 5-inch heels, so that was probably the highlight of my day.
Looking like Catwoman.
What we have behind us here is first step in the construction process, which is form boards and sub plumbing. So if you can see back here, we have all the white pipes. That's all the plumbing pipes going in. That's gonna be your sinks, toilets, bathrooms, kitchen. You wanna get that put in prior to pouring the concrete on top of that.
3 to 4 months of planning, then you get your permit, and then you get to start the pouring of the foundation.
So right now we're at second stage, framing. This is when, after you pour the concrete, you start framing up the sticks.
They only had 1 story framed on the 2-story of the home, so that they had just actually, Eric and Tab said they had just started framing that day. So it was really cool to see.
There's gonna be a 5-foot pivot door right here. This is where you're gonna open the door right here for the front door. And then here you're gonna have your modern contemporary staircase. Staircase is gonna have glass windows all up over here. So you're gonna be able to see that contemporary staircase.
The next thing that we did was, is that the one where they were doing, where it's green? I forgot what the...
Stage 3 is the roughen stage.
Roughen.
Roughen, meaning that they have a rough structure and then they have the green paneling to essentially enclose the structure.
We already have all our rough ends here, all mechanical, which is electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. And now I'm just waiting on 1 more inspection, and then we will put drywall and sheetrock all inside and close up all the walls.
Stage 4 is when they actually start to put the stucco, which the stucco meaning that they have the finishing on the outside complete, so they start to put the stucco up and the drywall on the inside. That is the 4th stage, which we got to see as well.
This gray area is going to be all stucco, which is a form of concrete for siding. Very, very strong against the elements. Really protects the home, looks very nice.
Basically, we got to see from start to finish what it looks like whenever you're building a home, from the actual dirt all the way to basically a finished product. So needless to say, I personally, I learned a lot. Did you learn a lot?
I'm excited to watch these projects grow as we check in monthly and we can start to see the different progress on each one. So that's what I'm most excited about.
Yeah, I feel like I learned a little bit about the construction process, and I'm also excited to see what all of these properties look like finished.
I just can't wait to see you in a hard hat and heels.
Yes, coming soon.